Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy with your family. Welcome to online class in second standard. Children, today we are going to start our EVS subject. In EVS subject, we are going to learn new lesson. The name of lesson is Safety First. Children, we should keep our safety first wherever we are. Safety is freedom from harm or danger. Safety at home. Let us choose never to. Children, we should not play with fire. We should not play with sharp objects. Children, we should not play with electric plugs or switches. We should not leave the scissor or other pointed object on chair or desks. We should not play with table fan when it's on. We should not put pencils or sharp object in our mouth, nose or ears. Children, safety on the road. We should keep safety on the road as well as. Traffic is the movement of vehicle from one place to another. Traffic police work to control the traffic. Traffic signals are set of automatically operated light for controlling the flow of traffic. Roads are made for cars, buses, trucks and other vehicles to run on. It is dangerous to walk in the middle of the road. So footpaths are made for our safety. We must always walk on the footpath. A footpath is usually made on either side of the road. Children, we should always walk on the footpath. We should cross the road on zebra crossing. We should not play on the road. We should walk on the footpath. Footpath is made for our safety. We should walk on the zebra. We should cross the road. We should cross the road on zebra crossing. While on the road, we must always follow the traffic signals. They tell us when to cross and when to stop. There are two types of traffic signals. One is pedestrian and other is vehicular. The pedestrian signal has two lights, red and green. Red and green. The pedestrian signal has two lights. You can see on the road when you go out your mama and daddy, we can see on the road. Stop and wait when the pedestrian light is red. Cross the road when the pedestrian light is green. Children, we should cross the road when the pedestrian light is green. We should wait and stop when the pedestrian light is red. Children, when you go out with your parents, when you go out with your mama and daddy and uncle, auntie, you can see on the road so many vehicles runs. The vehicular signal has three lights, red, yellow and green. The vehicle stop when the light is red. The vehicle get ready to stop when the light is yellow. The vehicle move when the light is green. Where the signal are not working, there are no signal. The traffic policeman have to guide the traffic and pedestrian. You can see police uncle, he control the traffic. He direct the traffic on busy street corner. By obeying him, you can help to avoid any accident. You can thus save yourself from any danger. Remember children now, do not cross the road and at any place you like. Cross at the zebra crossing only. Always stand in a queue to board a bus or train. Do not lean out of moving vehicles. Do not cross the railway track. Always use the overbridge to cross the railway track. Do not play on the road. First aid is the help given to sick or injured person until proper medical treatment is available. Every school has a first aid box. Children, you should keep our safety first wherever we are. See, this is the picture of safety at home. We should not play with electrical gadget. We should cross the road. We should cross the road on zebra crossing. The police uncle is controlling the traffic light. You can see the road. This is a picture of road. See, uncle is crossing on the zebra crossing. A police uncle is controlling the traffics. Thank you.